In this video, I'm going to reveal the #1 mistake that people make in trying to restart things with their ex. This is a very easy trap to fall into because it seems like the obvious thing to do. But trust me when I say it never works. And if you don't stop, it will ruin your chances of ever getting back with your ex. Hi YouTube, Jessica Boss here. I'm a relationship coach and breakup expert with years of experience counseling the brokenhearted and getting them the relationship they want. Do you want your ex back? Then subscribe to my channel because this is where I share my best tips. Oh, and follow me on Twitter. I follow back and love connecting with my fans and haters alike. All right, no bullshit here. Let's get to it. This is the big mistake that people make when they're trying to get their ex back that kills their chances of having a relationship. Trying to convince your ex to take you back. People make this mistake every time because logical arguments work in many other areas of our life. Say you're going to buy a car. You look at the different models of the car and decide based on gas, mileage, practicality, or size. But that simply isn't the way we make decisions about love. Decisions we make in love may feel like they're motivated by practical concerns, but they're almost always about our emotional and physical attraction to the other person. This is why we let people treat us badly and stick around. This is why two people get married who shouldn't have even had a second date. This is why couples break up and make up over and over again. It's because we let our emotions control us when it comes to our love life. It's also why you can't convince your ex that they want you back by appealing to logic, compatibility, or reason. It all pales in comparison to the emotions we make them feel. The attraction isn't there. And by coming at them with an argument, trying to influence their position, and argue with them, we're only doing damage to their feelings for us and making them associate us with tension, conflict, and confusion. You're trying to prove them wrong for breaking up with you, and all you're doing is proving them right. Put simply, logic is not your friend here. You're trying to change their mind rather than change their emotional state. Even though breakups can happen suddenly, reattracting your ex takes time and effort because you need to change the narrative they built around you and your relationship indirectly by replacing negative feelings and associations with positive ones. This is why no contact works. Right after a breakup, the most significant memory they have of you is fighting, crying, and splitting up. If you've spent time apart, that memory will fade a little and lose some of its power. After a month apart, it will look like just one part of your story rather than this huge black cloud in their life. Self-improvement beats sad rebounds every time. It improves their feelings about you as a person rather than making you a source of further sadness in their life. For the right approach, go to jessicaboss.com/video. That will take you to Brad Browning's breakup video. He understands better than anyone that when you want to get your ex back, logic loses and emotions win every time. He's got some pretty powerful tricks that will make your ex feelings about you do a complete 180. Focus on the positives and not dwell on the breakup. Whether or not they did the right thing by ending it, who was right and who was wrong, and how much they hurt you does not matter right now. Sure, you'll have to work through these things, but only once you've managed to win them back. But until then, you're only going to strain things further by continuing to focus on it. Think of it like when you first met. Did you keep bringing up your last breakup? Of course not, that would be crazy. You try to be the most fun, stable, and attractive version of you that you could be. Because you not only have to be better than all the single people they meet, you have to be better than you were when you two first met. This may seem daunting, but don't worry. You actually have an advantage. You know what they like. You have a history together. And you have a secret weapon. Me. So there you have it, YouTube. The #1 mistake people make when they're looking to win their ex back. If you can avoid this, you can have a second chance. So leave logic at the door. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you think I'm wrong about convincing your ex, I'd love to talk about it in the comments. I love hearing what you have to say. Until next time, I'm Jessica Boss. Bye!